Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to replace audio from your reel timeline. So you've created a reel and you have basically added an audio. However, you want to replace it with something else. Then let me show you how to do this. So here we have Instagram open, tap on the plus sign, then tap on reel, and we'll go ahead and create a reel. We'll tap next, then tap on edit video to enter in the reel timeline. We'll go ahead and add audio. And now as you can see, we already have an audio. However, let's say I want to remove this song and replace it with something else. So to do this, you can go ahead and select this song. You can go ahead and discard it, or there's another option called replace. Go ahead and tap on replace, and then go ahead and choose another song you like. Tap done, and now that song has been replaced. So there you go guys, that is how to replace a song on your Reels timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.